Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make a logo for your website, brands, marketing, social media accounts, for everything within just a few minutes with logoai.com. So let's start. First, in Google account, type logoai.com. This one, click on logoai.com, logo maker. When you click on logo maker, this dashboard will be appear. Click on start button and then enter your logo name. I enter my website name A1 Trend 365. If you have a slogan, then also type your slogan on there. And click on continue button. When you click on continue button, this will be appear. My industry is entertainment, and then I continue. Select color themes. I select multiple color themes for my logo and click on continue button. After it, I select font size, different sizes, modern, elegant, slab, multiples which I want in my logo, and click on continue. Now my logo is generated. Hopeful it will be wonderful. Let's see. Yes. Now our logos will be generated multiples. Different styles, different variations are existing on there. Now I want to see more logos. This app helps us a lot. Now see, multiple various logo are generated one by one. I want to see more. Yes, it makes multiple more logos for me. It's so easy for us now to make a logo. Now I want to view it, then I click on edit and see. This is little bit good, but it's not according to my website, so I choose something else. This one looks stylish, but colors are not good on there. We change colors on clicking on colors button, but I want to see something different. It's have a multiple colors. Now I choose this. This looks good. It also have a different designs, different colors. We have multiple choices to choose color for our brand. This font size is good, layout's good, symbol is good. So I choose the first one. I open snipping tool, take a screenshot of my desired logo and click on my save button. After saving it, I click on a new tab on Google account, type remove.bg because I want to remove the background, white background behind my logo. So I type remove.bg This app will be appear on start. I click on there, wait a moment and click on upload image. Now I upload my desired logo on there. It just take few minutes and background will be removed. Click on download. Now I watch it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you can understand all this. Thank you.